Hi guys, this is Mr. Fixer. Today I will show you how to fix slow download speed of Xbox. Many people are getting a much slower download speed with the Xbox app than they should. To fix this, first close the Xbox app completely. Go to the Start menu, type Apps and click Apps and Features. Type Xbox in the search box. Select Xbox and click Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Terminate to turn it off completely. Then go to the Start menu again. Type Update and click Check for updates. Select Delivery Optimization. Open Advanced Options. In fact, when absolute bandwidth is selected, it will be enough to untick the boxes below it, because here it is said that the bandwidth is optimized by default. But at the same time, the term dynamically was used for this. So even if it says it's optimized, it may be lowering the upper limit based on factors at the time you download it. So the best would be to mark the percentage constraint and set the value to 100%. Then go to the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Copy the command from the first line, paste it into CMD and hit Enter. Check if Receive Window Auto-Tuning level is normal. If not normal, then copy the other command to CMD and press Enter. Then copy the first command again. You can find the commands in the description and check if the value is changed. After these steps, your download speed will probably improve. If the download speed still hasn't increased, you may need to reset your DNS settings. Click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. You need to type ipconfig, leave space, / flush DNS and press Enter. Then ipconfig / register DNS. Then ipconfig / release. Then ipconfig / renew. And then type netwinsock reset and restart your PC. If the download speed is still slow after these steps, you can try a simple method that many people say increases the download speed. Go to the Start menu, type Security, and click Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Open Manage Settings, and turn off Real-Time Protection until the download is finished. It says here that it will be activated automatically after a while. But although this method works, you may need to turn off Real-Time Protection again before each download. That's all. Don't forget to like if this video helped you. If the issue is still not be fixed or have another question, let me know in the comments section below. Also, you can support me by subscribing to the Mr. Fixer. Don't forget to all errors must be fixed. See you in the next video.